In this video, I will show you how to change text line spacing in Google Docs. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, I would open my Google browser, right? So I'm already logged into my Google Docs. What I need to do, I want to change the line spacing for this document, for this text I just typed into this blank document, right? So what I need to do, once I've typed the text I want to type in, you can adjust the line spacing, right? You'd left click your mouse, hold it firmly, highlight this text, then you scroll to this option. Yeah, so this is it, line and paragraph spacing. Click on it. You can select the 1.5 line spacing option, the double line spacing option, or the single line spacing option. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section, because this video basically just showed you how you can adjust your line spacing in Google Docs. See you guys in the next one.